Hi, my name is Benedict Dungo, and I'm here to start my laboratory exercise number 1. Cisco Packet Tracer is an essential tool in simulating the network system. It is developed by Dennis Frezzo and his team at Cisco System. It is a powerful tool that displays the various protocols in networking, a dynamic way in which showing the configuration and systematic method to experience networking even without the real equipment used in networking. Packet Tracer is just a supplement, not replacement to reveal devices used in networking system. It will just show the dynamic way in either real time or simulation. The objective for this exercise is as follows. At the end of this activity, the students are expected to have been able to familiarize the Cisco Packet Tracer environment, identify different devices used in network system, determine if the device is end device, intermediary, or a media. Materials needed. Cisco Packet Tracer installer. Procedure. Open the Cisco Packet Tracer program and choose simulation mode. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna open the Cisco Packet Tracer. As you can see, we're in the Packet Tracer mode now, and we're gonna go to simulation mode. There's 2 ways to do it. You can go to view and click simulation mode, or you can just go and click this icon, and this will bring you to this page, and you will see this will appear on the side, on the corner, simulation. Now, procedure 2. Choose the following devices and drag it into the platform. You can select any type / model. Personal computer. Gonna go to the Cisco Packet Tracer. Gonna put it here. We're gonna go to end devices, and we will select personal computer. We'll just use the PC and drag it here, as you can see. And laptop, drag it here. Then switch, we go to network device, and we click switch. There are a couple of switches here. I will just use a generic one. Put it here. And then we go to the routers. Click. And we use generic. There are a couple of different routers that you can use. We'll just use the generic one and drag it there. Then the hub. We click it. We click the hub's icon here. And we'll just use a generic one. So drag it here. And then there's a couple of icons that we need to drag. Printer. Okay. We'll select a printer. We go to end devices again. And we'll see printer. Generic one. And then there was optical fiber. We click and we go to connections. Here's the fiber. Usually you have to connect it to the one of these devices. And here's the optical fiber, and the other one is crossover cable. see which one is the crossover cable. This one is the crossover cable. Crossover cable. And the last one is the IP phone. Right there. Now, procedure 3, as you can see, here a little bit, it says here, using the Microsoft Word, copy and paste the network devices above and identify it if it is an end device, intermediary device, or a media. Okay? First, we go to the end devices. I'll just press enter, erase that, and we just type and devices, then we copy, personal computer, that's the first one, paste, then comma, and then the next device will be a laptop. Okay, copy and paste, and the next one is the printer. Highlight, we copy, and we paste, and the last one for the end devices is the IP phones. Copy and we paste there. Those are our end devices. Then our next one is our intermediary devices. Okay. Our intermediary devices are the switch. Copy that. Okay. And paste. Let's see. Switch. And then the next one is the router. Copy. Paste. And for the last one, for the intermediary device, is the hub. Copy and paste. Okay. Now the last one is the media. We copy that. And we paste it. Just adjust this one here. Okay, it's the media. The media are the optical fiber. Copy that and paste. And the last one is the crossover cable. Copy and Please. Okay. There you go. Those are the devices. End devices are personal computer, laptop, printer, and IP phones. Intermediary devices, switch, router, hub, media, optical fiber, crossover cable. Now, we have the questions, and this is to be answered within the video. Okay, the first question is, what are the other available router model in the simulation software aside from the generic router? Give at least 3. So as we go to the Cisco Packet Tracer, we'll go to network devices. As you can see, there are a couple of routers here. This is the generic router, the one we used at the beginning. And there are a couple of routers, like for example the 1841 router, the 1941 router, and a 2620XM router. Those are 3 other types of router in the simulation software. That answer question number 1. And here in question number 2, based on the media device below, identify the media used in Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, as we go to the Cisco Packet Tracer, the first one that shows here in the picture is, if we go here to connections, it says it automatically chose connection type. This one is automatically choose connection type. The next one, this one, as we go to the Packet Tracer again, is the console. This is the console. The console. And the next one is a copper straight through. The third one is, you can see right there, we can identify it as a copper straight through. And the fourth one, this one, the fourth one, is the copper crossover. Copper crossover. And the last one in the group, the last one in the group is called the fiber. As you can see, it's right there. Fiber. Now, to answer question number 3, what are the difference between the end device, intermediary devices, and media? End devices, intermediary devices, and media devices are all physical elements or hardware of the network. Their difference are at their functions in the network. To understand their differences, we must identify each functions. An end device are usually what people are familiar with are called hosts. As a host device, it's either a source or a destination of a message transmitted over the network. That's, for example, sending an email or receiving an email. Intermediary device provides connectivity and ensure that data flow across the network. And media is a medium that provides the channel over which the message travels from the source to destination. After we identify the functions in the network, we can now understand their differences from each other. And devices are the source or destination of a message. Intermediary devices are the one who manage the data as it flows through the network. And media is the medium that provides the channel over which the message can travel through from source to destination. So those are their differences. And device, the source or destination of the message, and the intermediary are the one who manage it, and the media is the one used as a channel, or for example a bridge to flow on, so that the message can go from source to destination. And for the fourth question, what can you conclude from this activity? In conclusion, after going through all the activities, I finally familiarized myself in using the Cisco Packet Tracer, learned to use it, identifies the different devices in the network system, and also learn the difference between the end devices, intermediary devices, and media. Now I'm more comfortable in using the Cisco Packet Tracer, as it's a very powerful tool in learning how to emulate a network topology. And this, I conclude my lab exercise. Thank you.